place is huge. Can we really see everything in one day? Maybe not everything, but we can still have an amazing day if we plan it right. Yep. Wait, when did you make that note? You planned this already? Last night, because I know Disney can get wild if we just walk in without a plan. Wow, you wrote so much. Is this like a secret mission list? Pretty much, and this mission is called Surviving Disney in One Day. Rule 1. Buy tickets and Genie Plus early so we can save time.
I like any plan that keeps me out of long lines.
So Lightning Plus is like a magic shortcut? Yes, and today we need all the magic help we can get. Go in right when the park opens and hit the most popular rides first. That sounds like running, and I'm ready to run. Rule 3. We pick 6 to 8 must-do rides and focus on those first. Good, because if I try to do everything, I might fall over by lunch. Look at the list. We can choose the best ones. Come on, you'll be fine. I like that idea because I already want to do too many things. That is why we choose the best ones before the day chooses for us. Use the app to check wait times, order food, and book things fast. Wow, so cool. It's not just for pictures. It's part of the survival kit. Nice. Rule 5. We eat before or after the rush so we don't lose half the day in food lines. Wow, even lunch needs a strategy here. This is not a trip, this is a military operation. Oh, yes, but with popcorn, castles, and cartoon mice. Rule 6. If time gets tight, we skip long shows and weaker attractions. That sounds a little sad, but also smart. If we stay focused, pick the best stuff, and move fast, one day here is still worth it. Okay, I'm ready for the craziest fun day ever. We're really in, and I can already smell popcorn. Eyes on the goal, Tom, not on the snacks. Oh, wow, the castle is real. It looks like it came out of a storybook. I know, and somehow it looks even bigger in person. Look at the towers, the flags, the colors, everything is so beautiful! Whoa! Don't run too far, or we'll get lost. Okay, castle first, pictures later, and Fantasyland is our first stop. I like this plan because it sounds magical already. Wait, I smell ice cream and popcorn, and now my soul is confused. Your soul can eat later, because right now we are moving. This place is so cute, like walking inside a fairy tale. Good, because our first ride is the Carousel, and it's right there. Let's go! We have to ride this first. It's classic, and the line is still short. I'm in, but I want the coolest horse. This one is mine because it looks fast and dramatic. You picked a horse like you're going into battle. Yeah. Mine looks brave, handsome, and slightly dangerous. Please do not say dangerous right before the ride starts. Tom, maybe don't touch random things on the ride. Relax, I'm just checking what this little lever does. Why does this feel faster than normal? I have a bad feeling that I helped cause this. Everything is spinning, and the castle has 3 heads now.
Just hold on and try not to look at me because I'm laughing too hard. We'll be fine. Just close your eyes for a second.
I wanted excitement, but not this much excitement. That's what happens when you flirt with mystery levers. Tom, your eyes look like the 2 tiny car wheels.
I think my brain is still on the horse.
Well, that was funny, but now we need to move to the next ride. Please give my soul 10 seconds to come back first. We still need Peter Pan and Snow White if the lines stay decent. Okay, but maybe no more hidden speed buttons for Tom. I got it, okay. This area feels totally different, like a real jungle adventure. That's why I love Disney. Every place feels like another world. A boat ride sounds calm, and I need calm after that horse ride. Don't say calm too early, because this jungle likes surprises. These plants look so real, and it already feels a little scary. Wow, look at that one. That's part of the fun, and remember, most things here are fake. Okay, this is nice, quiet, and not spinning, so I trust it. Please don't say that, because every time you say something, disaster shows up. Yeah! That elephant moved, and I was not ready for that at all. Why is fake nature still this rude? It's okay, it's just a robot, and the water barely hit us.
That tiger looks way too real for me.
Nope. I did not agree to any tiger business today. Tom, stay in the seat. You're shaking the whole boat. I'm trying, but my legs made their own decision.
Folks, don't worry. Every animal here is mechanical and nobody is in danger.
Thank you, because my face forgot that information for a second.
The app says now is a good time to move to Tomorrowland.
Oh.
Do we have time to eat first, or do we keep chasing rides?
Look at this. It's a treasure hunt.
That sounds exciting, but also a little dangerous after what just happened.
He's right, but there's a huge reward. Space Mountain still has a shorter line, so we should do it before lunch. This place looks like the future, and I love the lights so much. Good, because the future is about to throw us into space. That ride looks fast, dark, and very bad for my peace of mind. I know, but it's one of the best rides in the whole park. Trust me, if we skip this, we'll regret it later. I already regret looking at it, but okay, I'll be brave.
Don't worry, I'm not scared at all. I was basically born for roller coasters.
That speech sounds fake, and your voice just squeaked.
Okay, keep your head back and scream if you need to.
That is not calming advice, but thanks anyway. Why is it so dark already, and why can't I see the track? That's the whole point, and you're gonna remember this forever. This is too fast, too dark, and too much space for one person. I can't even tell if my eyes are open right now.
This is amazing! And also, I think my stomach is in another galaxy. Mine stayed back at the station and refused to come.
Tom, you are screaming louder than everyone here.
You okay, Space Hero, or do we need to reboot you?
Give me a minute, because my legs still think we're flying.
That was terrifying, but also kind of awesome.
That is exactly how the best Disney rides are supposed to feel. Yay!
Okay, let's check the map and choose our next move carefully.
Yeah?
Good idea, because my brain still needs a manager. Wait, where's the map? It was right here before the ride. Oh, please don't tell me the map flew into space with us. Maybe I dropped it when I was screaming for my life.
Oh!
That is not helpful, but sadly it sounds very possible.
This park suddenly feels 10 times bigger than before. Stay close, because getting lost here is easier than it looks.
I think we've been past this candy shop before, which means we are definitely lost. Great, even the lollipops know where they are better than we do. Is this the right way, or are we just following random music now?
At this point, random music is all we have.
Because we accidentally walked into another ride, so just go with it. Why is everything suddenly dark and full of pirate voices?
Those pirates look real, and I do not trust their faces at all.
Are animatronics, but honestly, I get why you're nervous.
Yeah.
Tom,
Why are you hiding behind a barrel on a moving ride? Reasons. Because if the pirates attack, this barrel feels like my best defense. That sounds fair, but this park keeps kidnapping us. We'll find our way out.
Okay, no more accidental rides until we find our direction.
This place looks creepy, and I don't think the music is helping. Please tell me this is a hallway and not another ride. I want to tell you that, but the moving floor says otherwise. There's a ghost right there, and I hate how real it looks. Please spare me, ghost sir. I am young and full of snacks. Tom, let go. That ghost is made of plastic and bad lighting.
I can't breathe. This is the funniest thing I've seen all year. The ghost looks more shocked than you do right now.
We are officially tired, lost, and somehow still having a great day. Do you hear that music? Or am I still confused from the space ride? I hear it too, and it sounds important, so let's follow it. Come on, maybe it's the parade everyone talks about. If there's music and food nearby, I'm already emotionally committed. We made it, and this is even better than I imagined. See? Sometimes getting lost takes you to the perfect place. Look, everyone is right there, waving before he goes past. I'm waving, smiling, and trying to take pictures all at the same time. The fireworks over the castle look so beautiful. I almost forgot how tired I am. I finally got my giant ice cream, so now the day is complete. You look ridiculous, but honestly, this is your happiest form. We got scared, lost, dizzy, and laughed all day, but this was the best adventure ever.